Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your saved data back on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So maybe you just got it and you want to go ahead and get all your saved data from the cloud if you have PlayStation Plus. And this should automatically be uploading. Otherwise, you can manually do it for each game. So on your PS5 or maybe your old PS4, you can just go to upload and download saved data, and then you can literally just upload it to the cloud. So upload it, and then you'll have the most current version on there. Otherwise, we can go to settings and scroll on down in here and go to save data and game app settings. And then we have the PS4 and then PS5. So under the PS4, we have auto upload. And then we can just enable this. And it does it by specific games. Now, if we go to download or delete from cloud storage, we can go to this section right here. And we can specifically download our games from the cloud storage. So this will just be the game data, like your game files and your game saves, etc. It's not going to be the actual game files where you're going to be able to play it. So if I'm playing like Assassin's Creed, it's going to be my single player game save. So we can just select it and then download it. And we should be able to get everything back. So at any point in time, you're playing and for whatever reason, all your information got deleted, well, you can come to the cloud storage and then you can download it again. So if you have PlayStation Plus, this is available to you. I think around 60 to 70 million people might have PlayStation Plus, so this option is going to be widely available. So you can just select the game and then go to download. And this happened to me a few times in Red Dead Redemption and then also Grand Theft Auto, interesting. And you can go ahead and get your single player campaign back to your PlayStation or even Minecraft. So just look at that and then you can upload or delete from the cloud storage, console storage right here. So this is everything on my PlayStation 5 Pro, and I can decide to upload everything so I have a current version. So should do it automatically, but if it doesn't, go to this section and go to upload, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.